Thank you once again, Blessing Oluishola, Wealth Magnetic. Have you ever tried to do a simple design, a birthday e-card, or any other kind of e-card, and you're wondering, I do not know how to use Photoshop, I don't know how to use CorelDRAW, I don't know how to use all the applications for doing designs, but I just need something urgently because I was just disappointed by the person I took to do an e-card for me. I have a solution for you. My name is Eva, your software productivity coach, and today I'll be introducing to you a mobile app that you can use for such designs, and it's PixelLab Pro. Watch this video till the end. As always, I have some tips for you that can help you in your tech world. Subscribe, like, and share. There is someone out there who would need this information. Just in case you feel, well, I'm not into technology, but you have to be into technology. So without further ado, let's get into the business of today. See you after now. Yeah, this one is PixelLab. Can use PixelLab, can use PixelLab Pro. But in my device here we have PixelLab. We can download it from Play Store. So now, as you can see, this button over here, this button is for you to set your background. So you choose, most times I like to choose transparent, so I just go and choose transparent. I'm going to delete this default text, but there is an icon for text here, which is that A. I'm going to click on the A and then delete the text. Done. So the first thing I want to do now is to go and bring in that picture. So we want to import the picture from gallery. So this is my gallery. Exactly, this is a picture. So I can decide to make this picture, can fill it with the background. Meanwhile, you can actually choose the size. You can choose the size of background you want to use. Like, you can choose the size you want the e-card to become at the end of the project, but we're not going to do that right now. I'll just show you where you can do that. Image size, this is where you can do that. You can decide to choose a different ratio, aspect ratio. This one is ratio 1, aspect ratio 1:1. Okay, so you can choose any one you like. If you want to do a YouTube thumbnail, anything you want to do, but it's a whole process. If we really talk about PixelLab or PixelLab Pro, there are lots. So today we are not going to go into that. I just want to do a simple design, you know, in commemoration of Mrs. Oluishola's birthday, Wealth Magnetic. So let's do this. All right, so I just do this one like this. Make this picture a bit transparent. So let me go to picture. Yeah, make it transparent. You go to opacity, then you reduce the opacity. Okay, so I'm going to make it bigger and just put it on one side of my screen so that when I do other things, as you can see, I didn't trim this picture. You know, there are other times I'm going to trim picture. I'm going to trim the picture and use other software to work on it. For example, I can use background eraser. Okay, so I just brought in another of this Oluishola picture, and you see this, you can use this triangle to turn it the way you want. So yeah, so this is it, this is it, this is it, this is it. All right, so I'm going to take this behind and bring the first one in front, just to do a little design. I'll take this behind and bring the other one in front. So I just do like this, bring it down. All right, so this is the first one is now in front. Okay, so let's go to background eraser. Let's go to background eraser. So leave here and go to background eraser, background, sorry, all right, so there's no background eraser here. We're going to download it. Play store, background eraser, background eraser, background eraser. All right, so here we are. We're going to take this. Yeah, I'm going to show you something. I'll remind you of something when we are done with this lecture. You know, somebody says, I recently downloaded background eraser to help me remove the background from products for this. Another person says, I've been looking for a simple photo editor with a color selection and remove backgrounds. Another one says, the first thing an app is simply amazing, guys. Okay, so that's the review. So can we download? Yeah, so let's go ahead. I'm just gonna download that. Background eraser. Installing is installing right away. Done. Open. Yeah. Here we are. Click on create. Allow background eraser to access your photos. So I'll just click on what I want to erase. Done. Alright, to revert back to original, you click on that, but I'm not going to revert back to original. I'm just going to use this picture like this, but exactly. So we used precise. If you notice, the first time that thing erased, it didn't really erase very well, so we used precise. And here we are. We'll save the picture. You can say choose the quality. I'm going to leave it at that 192. Done. So let's go back to our PixelLab. Yep, so let's bring the picture once again. You click on that plus from gallery, you click on from gallery, you take the picture, you just erase the background, you reduce it so it doesn't give you a lot of stress trying to use the picture. You reduce the borders. Done. Click on the good. Yep, done. So we have, this is the real image. We're gonna have this here. Okay, all right. Yep. Yeah. All right, so let's just adjust a little. Done. So we're gonna write, let me reduce. You click on the one you want to edit. I want to reduce the opacity of the one under so that it becomes blurry a bit. Go to opacity, reduce it. Okay, so we're reducing the wrong one, so let's go reduce opacity, reduce it. Yep. Good. So we're going to introduce a background. We're going to introduce a shape. Introduce a shape. Where's the shape? Where's the shape? Plus shapes. Yes. So this shape, we're going to do it. We'll fill it fountain fill. Fill it here. Fountain fill. Let's look at fountain gradient. Yeah, gradient. Gradient. Plus, let's choose what we want to do. We want to make the up transparent. I'm going to choose we'll make that up transparent by clicking on the fill tool. You shift it to transparent, you say okay, it's transparent now. So we're going to change this other side to white. Move it to white. Done, white. Exactly. So with this, you can put it right up. You can actually choose any color you want, but we're just trying to put it right up here. So you put it right up. Let's say happy birthday. You know, we're going to really do complex design, but today I'm just making it simple. I just want to show you that PixelLab or PixelLab Pro can do a lot for you. Yes, thanks to the producer of the software. Happy birthday. So we have some fonts here that we can choose from. So go click on A. When you want to do anything to affect the text, you change it to text tool, which is the A. So we change the font style. Font style is how the character looks like. So we're looking for font somewhere here. Yeah, this is it. So we're going to change how the character look like right away. Maybe I'll just use this. Yeah, or maybe this. Okay, let's just use something just so that we can finish this on time. Yep, so we make this one big. I'm gonna bring it down. Okay, so happy birthday. Make it thicker. Yes, this. We have a lot of fonts here, but you know, you can still download fonts. In fact, so much is in my mind to teach us here today, but we will streamline because of time. We'll have more time to go into others. Choose the font style. I'm just looking for a thick font style. Let me use this one. Good. Happy birthday. Now you want it to come out of the background very well. You add a little shadow to it. Add a little shadow to it. Choose black. Yep, black. Choose black and adjust it a little. All right, so here it is. Okay, so happy birthday, Mrs. I'm gonna use black for this so it can come out. People go to edit, Mrs. change it to black, like I said. Black. Good. Now I can change it to italics by clicking on this B style italics, and I can make it bold also. So this is just a simple design, it's not a complex one at all. Yep. Then you can export it as a picture, save as image, PNG, blah blah blah, save to gallery. Here we are, our picture is saved to gallery. Let's open it. So thank you so much for watching. This is just one simple design you can do with PixelLab or PixelLab Pro.
Right, so I'm very sure that was informative. The tip for today is your camera setting, your phone camera setting. You have a lot of things that you can use your phone to do. This particular video was done with a mobile phone and a tripod. Now, right in your mobile phone and your camera, you can set your camera to every kind of quality. So my tip for you today is exploit. Exploit and exploit and exploit. The information is out there. Don't wait for anybody to teach you. One more thing, you can put in the comment section if peradventure you want tutorials, complete tutorial for some of these softwares that we have introduced to you. We will put it together and let you have it. Thank you for watching once more, and I'm always grateful to Blessing Oluishola, Wealth Magnetic. Thank you very much, and thank you everyone who has stayed with me on this video till this time. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.